Finally, the third inherited cause of hemolytic anemia, inherited hemoglobinopathies. These are very common, and we're now pretty sure that they've been selected during evolution because a heterozygous state, although it's not clinically insignificant in the patient, it provides protection against severe malaria. Malaria has had a big influence on the genetic makeup of people who live in malarial regions. But unfortunately, homozygous forms, a bad gene from your mum and your dad, can be very severe disorders. Let's look particularly at sickle cell disorders in this case. Again, on the right, an electrophoretic analysis of globin. At the top, we have a normal person, hemoglobin A dominating with a small amount of hemoglobin F. Next one down, sickle cell anemia, a mutation in the beta chain. So there's no normal hemoglobin A. What we have is hemoglobin S. I'll show you on the next slide what that does to red cells. The third one down is sickle cell trait. This is the heterozygous state. One normal beta globin gene and one sickle beta globin gene. And here we see lower levels of hemoglobin A and some hemoglobin S. That's largely asymptomatic. And at the bottom, for the aficionados of hemoglobinopathies, is someone who has a sickle beta gene and a hemoglobin C beta gene. And you'll see now you get hemoglobin C, S, and no normal A. Sickle cell anemia is a very severe disease. In that slide, you'll see at the bottom left a classic sickle cell, similar to the scythes that are used for cutting corn. Now, sickle cell anemia leads to sickling of red cells during periods of hypoxia. When the blood is deep within capillaries and becomes hypoxic, the hemoglobin stacks up and leads to sickling of the cells. This can block the blood vessels, and that can lead to a range of clinical problems, largely due to infarction and hypoxia of tissues further down. Treatment of sickle cell anemia, if needed, is with red cell transfusions to provide normal blood, or with drugs such as hydroxycarbamide, which have shown to be quite effective.
You just completed your first video of the world's best medical exam preparation. Lecturio brings the knowledge of worldwide leading medical experts and teaching award winners to your PC, tablet, or smartphone. Prepare yourself and check your progress with thousands of quiz questions, customized to USMLE standards. And the very best, you can get in touch with our medical experts personally. Visit Lecturio.com now and continue with the most inspiring medical education around the globe, anytime, anywhere.